Alright guys, today I'm just going to show you how I hang this piece of plywood I prepared in my home gym, so I can hang some accessories and stuff off of it. A lot of them is products I sell in my stores, what I'll be hanging off of this, so I just wanted to get everything up off the floor, quit throwing it around, letting the dogs, mark their territory on it, and then me having to wash it. So it's pretty much what we're going to do. The wood is just plywood I had laying around. I'm not rich or anything and had the money to go grab a whole bunch of it, so it's just a piece I had. And just to spruce plywood up, what I've done is it's a Japanese technique, and I don't remember the name of it, and I'm not going to try and pronounce it and look it up. You should see it in text here. Basically what it is you can burn the top of the wood, and you can see it brings out the grain quite a bit. This is a light pass because I wanted a light color because the gym gets kind of dark when the lights are all out and the curtains are all closed and stuff, so I didn't want a real dark color. I put my logo for my shop in there right in the middle and burned around it. Then I just polyacrylic over. Just one coat is good enough. I don't plan on touching it a lot or anything like that. These are spacers. You can order these if you want from my shop. I custom make them any size you want. Basically these are space this off the wall, and there's a couple reasons for that. One, all the stuff I hang on here, I don't want the screws going through into the wall behind it, so when I move, I can just take this down with all the brackets and everything and hang it up in a new location. The other reason is I have lighting I'm going to put behind this. And that'll give the lighting a good place to mount to and bounce off the wall and come out and stuff. So next I'm going to right along this side drill 4 holes for the spacers. I've got 8 of them, so we'll do that and then measure 60 inches over, and it's about right here, stud distance, and then go ahead and drill 4 more and screw. And then how I'm going to keep these mounted behind there while I'm hanging it on the wall, I'm thinking painter's tape is the trick I'm going to try. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you can just hang painter's tape back there and then pull it off once you have everything screwed down. So, but we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's the wall spacers and stuff, just hung it up. I just ended up using some spray tack glue to hold the spacers on, ran the screws through most of the way, and then screwed right into the studs behind the wall there. Don't mind the pug, it's down there just sniffing away. But yeah, so it's spaced off pretty nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the red spacers, you can still see them, back those screws off and kind of move them out of the way. I made them oversized kind of for that reason. And then I'll put the lighting behind this and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so you can see I pulled it back off the wall. This is the back side. I wanted to see what a darker burn would look like, so I've never done the technique before, so you're never going to see the other side of this once it's up on the wall. But as you can see, I took it back off. I mounted my control box for my LED light strip back here. After the glue and stuff tacks up, I'll pull the painter's tape off, throw it up on the wall, so I can still get to this other plug and the remote strobe here sensor. I don't trust the glue on the back of these. I've had no success ever with them, so I just sprayed some tack glue on the back of it, did the best I can. I will say, when you're doing these, I've done these several times, don't ever pinch the cable in a turn. You leave it as a mess or whatever. You should never be putting these up where you're directly staring at these anyways. So, I mean, besides you guys watching the video, once it's up on the wall, ain't nobody gonna know. But yeah, we're gonna let this tack up. Actually, I don't know, here in about 3 hours it'll be dark out, so we'll mount it up on the wall before then and turn her on and see how she looks. Mount some accessories and stuff. In case anyone's worrying about me, accidentally screwing through these for the accessories I'm going to put on here and hang, it's not really that much of a concern. I'm probably going to find I have screws that aren't going to go all the way through this. Not only that, I don't plan to screw around the edge so I could kind of keep a clean look. But yeah, we'll hang it up here in a bit. Alright guys, so it's all mounted and done now. It's daytime right now. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so you're not going to see a lot of light from behind that. But it looks pretty good. Came out well. I'm happy with it. That's pretty strong, which is good because I'm planning to hang at the bottom my standard weight plates for my adjustable dumbbells with some mounts that I'm going to make. And then I'm going to make some more mounts and hang everything I can on there. It came out pretty well. So you can see at the top my DIY axles are mounted up there. Loadable dumbbells. Just another hook to hang a bunch of random stuff on, and then we'll try and get everything up off the floor here as we go. But yeah, I'm quite pleased how they came out. Those spacers and stuff hold great, so I'm not too worried about that. If you're gonna order some from me, just go ahead and contact me first so that I know the measurements and stuff, and then I'll quote you a price. So thank you very much.